Have you ever wondered what you can get in the center of Paris for $13.8 million? We are entering a designer apartment today that is about lifestyle, history, and stunning design in addition to luxury. Every aspect of this residence has been thoughtfully chosen, from expansive views of the Eiffel Tower to hidden architectural treasures and unique designer touches in each room. I can assure you that you won't want to miss a single inch of this home, which flawlessly combines elegance, comfort, and sophistication. Number 8. Prime Parisian location. In Paris, location defines a lifestyle rich in culture, history, and sophistication. It is about much more than just convenience. This apartment is tucked away in one of the most renowned arrondissements in the city, where centuries-old architecture, wrought iron balconies, and cobblestone streets provide a classic setting for contemporary living. The smell of freshly made croissants from artisanal boulangeries, the quiet murmur of conversation at sidewalk cafes, and the subtle clinking of espresso cups as Parisians start their days greet you as soon as you step outdoors. The city's cultural legacy is hinted at by antique stores and art galleries, while designer boutiques lining the streets provide the newest in haute fashion. A short walk takes you to the Seine, where famous bridges like Pont Neuf and sunlight riverbank promenades create a picture-perfect picture of the city's splendor. Living here is more than just owning real estate. It's about entering a world where every day feels like a carefully planned experience, where art, history, and contemporary luxury all blend together harmoniously, and where you become a part of Paris's elite urban fabric. Number 7. Sprawling space and layout. This apartment, which spans more than 4,000 square feet, is a masterclass in fusing intimacy and grandeur, providing areas that feel both vast and incredibly intimate. The living room flows naturally into the dining area and the gourmet kitchen, creating a sense of continuity while preserving separate areas for living, entertaining, and relaxing. This open-plan design captivates you as soon as you walk in. Sunlight streams in through floor-to-ceiling French windows, illuminating the exquisite architectural details, crown moldings, vaulted ceilings, and hand-finished woodwork that speak to the craftsmanship at every turn and creating a warm glow on the rich hardwood floors. Luxurious ensuite bathrooms with marble countertops, rainfall showers, and spa-like tubs make each bedroom a private haven. Custom-designed closets provide both practicality and flair, presenting each item of clothing and accessory with elegance. Every area of this apartment has been painstakingly designed to strike a balance between comfort, elegance, and functionality, resulting in a house that is both aesthetically pleasing and effortlessly livable, with each room serving a purpose and each detail telling a tale of sophisticated Parisian luxury. Number 6. Designer interiors. A renowned interior designer has painstakingly chosen every square inch of this property, fusing contemporary sophistication with Parisian grace. High-end fixtures, marble countertops, and imported wood paneling combine to create a pleasing fusion of design and functionality. Soft, ambient lighting highlights textures and architectural elements, and artworks, sculptures, and statement furniture pieces are thoughtfully positioned to improve the atmosphere. Custom door handles, designer faucets, and subtle ornamental motifs are examples of minor details that show attention to detail and take the apartment from lovely to stunning. The interiors feel like an artistic representation of sophisticated life in addition to being opulent. Number 5. Breathtaking views. Nearly every room has floor-to-ceiling windows that provide unhindered views of the Paris skyline, the Seine, and the Eiffel Tower. At night, the city shines like a living jewel box, while at dawn, rooftops are illuminated with golden light. The master suite, dining room, and living room all take advantage of spectacular views to elevate everyday moments. These expansive views turn the flat into a private stage for the splendor of the city, whether you're having coffee in the morning, entertaining guests, or relaxing with a glass of wine at dusk. Such immersive, cinematic viewpoints are unmatched by many households worldwide. Number 4. The ultimate master suite. The master suite is intended to be a private haven where comfort and luxury coexist. A large walk-in closet guarantees enough for a large wardrobe, and a private balcony offers expansive views of the city. The spa-inspired bathroom features twin vanities made of marble and glass, a rainfall shower, and a standalone tub with a view of the Eiffel Tower. It's ideal for relaxing after a hectic day in the city because of the soft lighting, luxurious fabrics, and tactile textures. Every component, including the finishes and arrangement, was designed to provide both luxury and everyday functionality. Number 3. Entertainment spaces. This apartment is designed to accommodate both large parties and little get-together. With luxurious chairs and state-of-the-art audio-visual technology, a private home theater provides a movie experience. The kitchen has professional-grade appliances ideal for gourmet cooking, and the large dining area can accommodate lavish dinner parties. Your collection will be flawlessly kept in a climate-controlled wine cellar, ready for special events or everyday enjoyment. Every leisure area has been created to wow visitors by fusing excellent utility with a refined and elegant ambiance. It's not simply practical to host here, it's an experience. Number 2. Hidden features and unique details. This apartment's luxury goes beyond appearances. Private libraries and storage spaces can be accessed through hidden doors, and with the push of a button, unique lighting designs can change locations, from comfortable havens to striking displays. Every area gains depth and texture from rare materials like handcrafted wood, imported marble, and artisanal tiles. HVAC systems, smart home controls, and hidden storage are examples of practical components that are effortlessly integrated to preserve the aesthetic while providing contemporary convenience. In addition to improving the quality of life, these little details show a degree of craftsmanship that is uncommon in even the priciest homes. Number 1. Investment and lifestyle value. Owning this Parisian apartment is about far more than luxury. It's an investment in a lifestyle, a legacy, and a status that few properties in the world can offer. Situated in one of the city's most coveted neighborhoods, this home benefits from the historically consistent appreciation of Paris real estate, making it a sound financial choice for discerning buyers seeking both value and prestige. But the true value goes beyond numbers. It lies in the unmatched quality of life the apartment provides. Imagine starting your mornings with serene walks along the Seine, sunlight reflecting off the water and historic bridges, or enjoying breakfast on a balcony overlooking the Eiffel Tower as the city awakens. Evenings are spent entertaining friends in elegantly designed spaces, hosting dinners in a dining room with panoramic city views, or sipping fine wine while watching Paris twinkle at night. Every day becomes an experience that blends culture, convenience, and beauty, a lifestyle that money alone cannot purchase. This apartment is not merely a residence, it is a long-term investment, a statement of sophistication and a symbol of exclusivity, offering its owner both tangible value and the intangible rewards of living in one of the world's most iconic cities. And that concludes our tour of this $13.8 million Paris designer apartment. From breathtaking city views to hidden architectural gems, every corner of this home reflects elegance, craftsmanship, and luxury living at its finest. Which feature amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive property tours.